Welcome back. So as you guys can see, I'm starting off with the hair portion of this video. It's basically a get ready with me, just getting ready for a little dinner date. So basically this is like also an update of this wig that you guys are seeing. Of course you guys know it's from RPG here, and this is the Pre-Plucked 360 frontal wig, body wave Brazilian virgin hair, and it's 22 inches long. It's of a natural color, and of course the texture is Brazilian, as I said before. So I've had this wig for like 2 months now, and oh my gosh, let me tell you guys, it's like slowly becoming, well, I'm not gonna even say that anymore. It's my go-to wig, that wig that you just feel comfortable with, the color, the texture, the flow, the look, everything. It's just really nice, and I really love the body wave curls. So I just went ahead, as you guys can see, and I'm winding it up because I love that bouncy, voluptuous look. Like, it's just like bombshell vibes, you know what I'm with it? So I decided to go ahead and just wind it up, and this is how I've been rocking it for the past couple days. And I just wanted to refresh the curls. Let me tell you, as you guys can see, before I started winding the hair up, it had a wavy look, and that's how it is most of the times. So I really love that. So I pretty much just want the hair up in small sections, and then like I divide the hair in like two, the entire wig in like two, and I kind of just put each section in like a rod. So I don't necessarily put setting rods or flexi rods in each section that I curled, but I clump everything together and just put it around one rod, because I kind of finger detangle the curls and kind of make everything more effortless looking rather than so uniform with the curls. I do not love the uniform curled look. I love when it looks more messy and flowy and natural. So that's what I did, and just clumped everything so it still has that wavy vibe, and put it in the rod. And it's the same thing that I'm repeating with the top portion. So I've been loving this wig. Like, I get shedding like every hair, whether bundle or wigs, it's going to shed. If it doesn't shed, then I really don't know, but it's normal for the hair to shed. It's just how much it sheds. It doesn't shed excessively, so I'm extremely pleased with that. It's very soft, it's bouncy, very flowy. As you can see, it has a very nice luster, very natural luster. It looks very realistic, and I love that, and it's a win for me. So I'm definitely, this is definitely my go-to wig at the moment. I definitely recommend it to anyone out there that just love that realistic look. And if you guys want to see how I first installed this wig using my ball cap method, then I'll link that video down below, and that's the same way I installed it here. This lace on this wig is the improved lace that RPG here released recently, and I really love it. The lace looks so much like scalp. It's very realistic, so I really love that. So after I wrapped my hair tie around the perimeter of the edges right there, I just move on to my makeup, and I started off with brows. The usual. If you guys need a detailed brow tutorial, it's in my description box. Go ahead and check it out. Get your brows snatched. Learn how to get them snatched step by step. Yeah. So I was just taking my time. Divine came and was fooling around. Divine, give me, oh my God, give me my bread. Give me my bread, give me my bread. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
What is Anastasia? So use makeup on there.
What the heck?
What is Anastasia Beverly is? So you're coming and the boss in his back. Then dead.
No, sir.
Come on.
How people drinking?
So this can't drink, man. You just drink, I'm a grow up, I'm born, to be a big man, I drink it. I don't feel like big man, but I drink it up. But it doesn't taste good. So how that do?
Highlight beneath my eyes.
And the same thing the weight name that they wear. You know, the rugby, the NFL player in the black team, so.
No, Divine. Listen, guys, he is always joking. But yeah, so pretty much just moved on to setting the areas. I applied my concealer when Divine was sitting behind me, fooling around. Yeah, so I was just setting all those areas, and then, you know, basically just applying powder to just balance out my face. You guys know the drill. And I moved on to doing a little bit of baking. Now today I decided that I didn't want to be like, I wanted to do a little eyeshadow. So I took a brown matte shadow, and I'm just gonna go ahead and call the colors of the eyeshadows because I really don't remember what I used. But I'd recommend to you guys go ahead and use whatever you have. If you want to try out a look like this, then just go ahead and just get colors similar to what I'm using. But basically right here I'm using a brown matte shadow, and I diffused that in my crease area. I got it really blown out and just really blended, and basically windshield wiper motions with my brush back and forth. And then I wanted the color that I was gonna apply on the lid to pop, so I applied some concealer on the lid, and then I pat on some green shadow. It was pretty random when I picked this shadow. Usually I would not go for a color like this, and I was not doing a cut crease today. Definitely didn't want a cut crease, so I pretty much just kind of pat it on and blend it out, kind of diffuse the edges, and went on the inner portion with some golden illuminator and kind of just blended everything together. Here, this lighting is kind of allowing you guys to see it a little bit better because the previous lighting was a bit too washed out. So I wanted a wing, a really nice dramatic wing, and that's what I was creating right here. Also guys, I do have a detail wing tutorial, so go ahead and check that out. It is also linked in the description box for you guys, so check it out. And I'm also lining my lower waterline, so you know the look looks really intense. You know, I wanted that. I randomly just went ahead and just decided to add orange to my lower lash line, and I really love the combo. You know, it's really a really nice combination, so I was feeling it. And that's it for my eye makeup. I went ahead and dusted away the powder that I used to bake earlier on, and then I'm gonna move on and just spray my face, pat that in, get everything more skin like, and I applied some illuminator, but it wasn't over the top. That was how I was feeling, so I didn't do too much illuminator. I applied my mascara, and then I just did clear gloss. I've been doing so much clear gloss. Please don't come for me, guys. I know sometimes guys be like, do a different lippy. You know, sometimes you just feel so safe, and plus it's a date night. I wanted to just be very simple on the lips. Yeah, I moved on to unraveling the hair, and looking so gorgeous. I was definitely feeling the hair. Now initially I was going to go ahead and do like a half up half down vibe, because that's how I've been rocking this wig for the past couple days, in a half up half down. If you guys saw my previous video where I did the little how well do we know each other video with Divine, then you'd see that I was rocking it in a half up half down. That's what I was gonna do, but I said no. I was really feeling how the curls came out. Like, it just looks so good, and it definitely gave me that bombshell vibe, and I was feeling the lace. Like, look at that. It looks so skin-like. It looks like it's coming from my scalp. It's very realistic. I love it. Love it. I was definitely feeling myself. RPG hair wigs for the win again, as usual. Yes, guys, all the details to this wig will be in my description box for sure. So go ahead and check that out. The direct link to the wig as well will be there. And you can go ahead and, if you're interested in buying it, you can use my discount code SUE15 or PETITE-10 to get dollars off, and you can shop directly from my RPG hair page. That's my customized page on the RPG hair website. Go ahead and support your girl. It's highly appreciated. always was and always will be. All right, so yeah, go ahead and support. That's linked to my page, and the wig link is there as well. Check it out, let me know what you think. And that's pretty much it for today, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.